Okay, today I will be unboxing an Ooma with this huge knife. Yeah. I'm gonna get the tiny one out. Let's go. Ooma hub.
Because plastic wrappers are for lamos.
That's why they have a box
Of course.
that I'm keeping
Obviously.
and selling.
Of course.
Okay, inside you get a user's guide. I don't know what's in it.
You will never read that.
You get this crap. You get this crap. And you get... This is like an iPhone thing. See, look. It's all set up like it, too. See that crap. And some more crap.
All of that is crap. What did you order?
This crap. This is basically it, and then you set it up and crap. That's it.